Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's been a year since I uploaded a new video. So in this video, I just want to share with you this product that I found on Shopee and Lazada to turn your old speakers, amplifier, headset to a wireless or Bluetooth one. So let's get started. Upon browsing on Shopee and Lazada, I found an interesting product, the Ugreen Bluetooth 5.1 receiver audio adapter. This will save your old wired speakers, amplifiers, even headset to turn into a wireless or Bluetooth one. But before we proceed, for those who are new in my channel and find this video helpful, please do subscribe, like, and share this video for more content like this. And here is the quick unboxing. The product is built with plastic, a glossy mirror finish with Ugreen logo on the upper part, Bluetooth logo, and the power button at the middle. On the other hand, it has 3.5mm auxiliary port, left and right RCA, and a 5V micro USB port. It also has a LED indicator which only lights up in blue color only, and a ring rubber fit to avoid wobble. For technical specifications, this is the aptX style, so it has the Bluetooth 5.1, hi-fi quality sound with audio code of aptX HD, backwards compatible to SBC, AAC, aptX with a low latency of 180 milliseconds, and it works up to 10 meters in distance. Out of the box is the product itself, and it comes with 1 meter of micro USB to USB cable and a 1 meter of 3.5 to 3.5mm jack cable. Connecting these to a speaker is like a Lego. Just plug the 3.5mm jack included in the box and plug the other side to the speaker you will be using. We also need to plug in micro USB cable because this product does not come with battery and it needs a power source to be able to work. Upon plugging it, it will automatically turn on. If you already paired a device with it, you need to press the power button 2 times to be able to pair a new one. In my case, I'm pairing a new phone to test this with my old Altec Lansing speakers. It will blink once every 10 seconds if you already paired a device. Take note that I plugged this to my Altec Lansing speakers, and let's check it if this will really turn old speakers to a Bluetooth one. So, enjoy! So Ugreen are really making interesting products. This one really saved my old wired speakers, integrated amplifiers, passive headset, and turning it to a wireless and a Bluetooth device. So the question is, will I recommend this product? The pros is build quality, superb sound quality, Bluetooth 5.1, and it really works up to 10 meters in distance. The cons is just subjective, glossy top mirror finish, that is fingerprint magnet, one color LED indicator, and no RCA cable included. But overall, I think this product is a must-buy for those who are in urge of upgrading from old wired speaker to a Bluetooth one. This will help you to save some money. So that's it for this video, and see you on the next one.